Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact card size and loading one card into the manual feed. This prevents jams and alignment drift. Once loaded, make sure the printable side faces the correct direction for your Epson model and the card sits snug against the guides. Open the printer driver and select the matching paper size and paper type. Plain paper versus cardstock changes print head speed and ink application. Set print quality to highest. This reduces banding and gives crisp text and images right away. You next prepare the artwork or document with tight margins and optional bleed for edge-to-edge graphics. Once done, export or set the page size to the card dimensions and confirm scale is 100%. Shrinking can blur type. Use your app's print preview, then choose Print 1 to run a test. After the test, inspect the edges and registration marks and check color density. If ink sits too wet, let it dry or lower quality slightly. Make alignment tweaks in the driver and repeat until perfect. Now print your final cards, feeding them one at a time through the manual tray so each gets accurate transport and drying time. You should wait 10 to 30 seconds between sheets depending on ink saturation, and handle cards by the edges to prevent fingerprints. If you see misfeeds, streaks, or banding, stop printing. Run a print head cleaning, then perform nozzle check and alignment routines in the Epson utility. If a problem persists, print one test card after each adjustment until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.